Hi, today we're talking about information request tracker, and we're going to see how you can track the information requests that are being received from the customers with the help of this template. So as you can see, we have an information request database at the bottom, which specifies all the information requests that the customer is trying to book for. And you can see if all the things that were added over here, like the response status, the request type, and everything. And if you scroll to the top, we have a summarized view of the entire database. Like we have a request timeline, which shows the calendar view of what are the requests that are being booked from the customer's end. Then we have a pending response. So if any response is pending and you want to keep track of that, you can track over here. So the response status is put as pending. Then we have request type, which specifies all the different requests as per the different response status, or and it is visible over here. Then we have a follow-up needed section. So if you need to give a follow-up to any of the customer, you can keep track of that over here. Again, this has been classified under different grouping like the request type. And one more thing which we added is incomplete request. So if there are any requests which are incomplete, meaning if the follow-up is properly given, but the details have not been provided for the request, you can keep a track of that over here. All this entire template is customizable as per your requirements, and you can play around with the settings and the properties to make changes as and when you wish to do so. So another thing I wanted to highlight is a tool, the PDF output. It helps you generate PDF documents in bulk utilizing Google Document as its source of template, and it works both with Google Sheet as well as Notion database, which acts as a source of database. So you can see how you can generate invoice documents in bulk by watching this video, which uses a Google document as well as it works with Google Sheet and a Notion database. If you have any queries regarding PDF output or any other thing, please reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com, and I'll be happy to take on your queries and answer as per your comment. Thank you.